have an exclusive this morning I saw on the P. Diddy Combs trial. A small win for the rapper in court. What happened?
Yeah, small win. So, he's got the criminal charges, obviously, but he's also got a bunch of these civil lawsuits. Well, there was a music producer named Rodney Jones who sued Diddy last year in February of 2024 for a bunch of different things. Now, the most serious was assault, and that still remains.
What just happened in court today has completely changed the course of Sean Diddy Combs' legal battle. In a stunning turn of events, 5 charges against him have been officially dropped, marking a huge legal victory. For months, Diddy has been at the center of multiple lawsuits and allegations, but today's ruling shakes things up in his favor. What does this mean for the case? What charges were dropped? And is this the beginning of the end for the legal fight against him? Let's break it all down. Sean Diddy Combs has been facing serious allegations, with multiple lawsuits filed against him in both civil and criminal courts. The accusations range from racketeering and trafficking to financial disputes and contract issues. However, from the start, Diddy's legal team has fought aggressively, claiming that these lawsuits were based on lies, misfiled paperwork, and weak evidence. Now, after months of legal battles, a judge has officially dismissed 5 of these charges, a massive win for the hip-hop mogul. But what exactly got thrown out? According to today's ruling, a judge has dismissed the racketeering charges that were brought against Diddy under the RICO Act, the same law used to prosecute organized crime. The judge ruled that the evidence provided did not support the claim that Diddy was running a criminal enterprise. Additionally, some of the financial fraud allegations and breach of contract claims were also dismissed due to lack of evidence and procedural errors in how the lawsuits were filed.
But there were some other claims in the lawsuit, like a racketeering claim, emotional distress, some contract breach stuff. Those claims have been dismissed. So 5 of 9 claims have been dismissed. Dismissed. 4 still remain. It's a small win. The plaintiff's lawyer got berated a bit by the judge. Basically said, "Hey, you're messing things up here, and you've got to get on track." So small win, nonetheless a win for Diddy.
Legal experts say this significantly weakens the case against him and could be the first step toward dismissing more charges in the future. This ruling is a major turning point for Diddy. Racketeering and fraud charges carry serious consequences, including hefty fines and potential prison time. By getting these claims dismissed, his legal team has successfully argued that much of the case against him lacks a solid foundation. Additionally, the dismissal of these charges exposes inconsistencies in the lawsuits filed against him. Reports suggest that some of the claims were misfiled or included accusations that had already been rejected in previous court rulings. The judge even scolded the lawyers for bringing up allegations that had already been ruled on. And it's not just the legal system noticing the flaws in these accusations. Fans have taken to social media to defend Diddy. Some of his supporters on Instagram are saying he is innocent, pointing out the lack of strong evidence against him.
Let's talk about the showdown in the courtroom over the bombshell video allegedly showing Sean Diddy Combs beating his then-girlfriend Cassie Ventura.
Now, Diddy's lawyers are arguing to exclude the footage from the rapper's upcoming trafficking trial. Legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer joins us now with more on what this could mean for the high-profile case.
If these legal mistakes continue, it could mean even more dropped charges in the near future. While this is a major win, Diddy is not in the clear yet. Some of the most serious accusations, including trafficking and abuse allegations, are still moving forward. However, today's ruling suggests that not all claims against him will hold up in court. Legal experts believe that his legal team will now push even harder to have more charges dismissed, or at least weakened. With the racketeering and financial fraud claims gone, the remaining cases could be harder to prove without a clear criminal pattern. Additionally, the credibility of some accusers is now being questioned, as the court found no strong evidence supporting key claims. This raises an important question. Was Diddy being unfairly targeted? Diddy's court victory today is undeniable. Having 5 major charges dropped signals that not everything being said about him is true. This could change public perception and affect future rulings, making it harder for prosecutors to build a strong case. But the legal fight is far from over. With some charges still standing, Diddy's team will have to keep fighting to clear his name. One thing is clear, this case isn't as open and shut as some people believed, and fans are standing by him. Many are saying that this is proof Diddy was falsely accused and that the media has been pushing a one-sided narrative. What do you think about this legal win for Diddy? Do you believe more charges will be dropped, Or is this just a temporary victory? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on celebrity legal battles, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.